Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by sanitizing and pushing back cuticles, then remove shine with a 180/240 file so the polygel bonds. Once done, choose either forms or tips and fit them snugly to the nail, leaving about 0.5 to 1 mm free at the edge. This prevents lifting. Apply a thin base gel coat over the natural nail and under the form area. Make sure it's even. Cure in a 48 to 54 W lamp for 30 to 60 seconds before moving to the next step. You now sculpt. Squeeze a small polygel bead onto your spatula and dip the brush in slip solution so it won't stick. Place the bead at the nail center, then push and spread it toward the free edge and the cuticle, forming a smooth apex where the stress point will be. Make thin, controlled passes. Cure each layer for 60 to 90 seconds. Once cured, file between layers with a 180 file to refine shape. Then switch to 240 for smoothing before the final cure. You finish by wiping off the inhibition layer with cleanser. Then apply a glossy top coat and cure for 60 to 90 seconds so the shine lasts. After curing, file and buff any rough edges and use cuticle oil to hydrate the skin and reduce peeling. If you see lifting or premature detachment, don't panic. Remove the affected area, rebalance the underside, reapply a thin base coat, reseal the free edge, and increase cure time. Most lifting is due to insufficient prep.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.